The Commissioner of Police Lagos State, CP Nwachukwu, has laid down policies for commands in the state aimed at combating crime with relevant stakeholders in a partnership forum aided by strategic measures. On this premise, the Area Commander Area E, ACP Nwachukwu, has made a familiarization visit to the Satellite Town Divisional Police Station, Agboju, led by CSP Oyin Francis Adegbite. In attendance were traditional rulers from the area, some clergy officials, Community Development Association members, PCRC members, sectional heads and captains of industry. While giving her keynote address, the Satellite Town DPO, Agboju CSP Oyin Adegbite, said despite the shortage of personnel and logistics to combat crime within Agboju, Alakija, Kirikiri Road and environs, the division always improvised to manage the resources available at its disposal to ensure that the crime rate along the axis is drastically reduced to the barest minimum.
The divisional headquarters needs total comprehensive renovation, additional officers and section. The division is prone to flooding during rainy season, as you can see, and all the roads are leaking. The division has 3 police posts, namely my 2 police posts at my 2, satellite police post at close 6 satellite town, CPN 1 police post at Abulado. The police posts are directly under the supervision of the DPO. Sir, the division has strength of 29 SPOs, 90 inspectors, 6 sergeants, 2 corporal, 2 constables, 2 traffic wardens, 8 special constabulary, total 132 officers and men, but the working strength is 70. This strength is grossly inadequate for the effective policing of the entire jurisdiction.
The DPO used the occasion to solicit and make a request for more personnel. In response, the attendees of the Security Stakeholders Partnership Forum commended the efforts of the DPO at being proactive and excellent in performance through robust collaboration with the local security agencies under the Satellite and Agboju jurisdictions.
Security is everybody's work. One person cannot do security alone. You understand me? Security is contributory from every quarter. When you secure yourself, I secure myself, everybody secures. Security has gone round. That's the only way we can support the police. When you see something that is wrong, you do something. The DPO is doing wonderfully well. It's a woman that walks like a man. Because anytime you call the woman, she's there. The men are up and doing. His men is everywhere. So, curbing the crimes here and there.
The issue we are having, especially as it concerns the police here, is this area of accessibility of the road. Because the criminals, they have their way when the road is not okay. It creates a lot of problems. And as a matter of fact, there are certain things that the police cannot achieve because of the bad situation of the road. So it's a very serious problem and it's affecting the security of this very area. We have cried in the past and we keep on crying, and until this time, the Lagos State government has not done anything meaningful to address the problem of this very road. It's very, very deplorable. The present DPO is fantastic. Oyi, she is fantastic in terms of policing of the community. She is so humble. She is so tactical, she is respectful, she does not tamper or infringe on the fundamental human right of Nigerian citizens residing here in Kirikiri. She doesn't do that, or in Satellite. She is so wonderful, she is ready, she listens to you, you give her a call, her phones are always open 24 hours.
The area commander, ACP Nwachukwu, extended his praise to the Commissioner of Police, Nwachukwu, for his laudable initiative in furtherance of the zero tolerance and crime reduction in the state policy.
It's not the issue of local government chairman alone. It's state government and it's federal. But local government can do some palliatives on the road so that police can respond through these roads where there are calls for them, the distress call for them to come. In such a situation, police cannot easily come out to respond to a calls. In any response time, the most important thing is time of response. For this type of road, how can they respond where they are struggling to come out? That of manpower is an issue that we use our discretion to solve. That's why we synergize with other agencies. You know, there are other security agencies. The police is the lead among them. Like the neighborhood watch, encourage them to work with neighborhood watch, and have the constabularies and other security agencies to work with the police. But in terms of personnel, we know that most of the time now, the level of recruitment in police is not so high.
The AC frowned at the deplorable state of the roads in the Satellite and Agboji axis, stating that accessible road network is necessary to eliminate crime.
In this vicinity, the road network is completely epileptic, not acceptable, very bad and dangerous to security, especially now that the country is being faced with security challenges. The road network is nothing to write home about. Very, very debilitating and not encouraging. The local government chairman has to come to the aid of the people in this area, knowing fully well that she is the first citizen of security in this very locality. She has to come. She has to, seek an assistance from the Lagos state government to ensure that the road is done.
Adding that any police officer found crossing the red line through electronic corruption, conspiracy, and illegal extortion will be duly prosecuted by available provisions of the law, regardless of their rank and status. The high point of the event was the presentation of a gift to the area commander.
On behalf of myself, officers and men of Satellite Division, we are presenting this portrait to our amicable commander, the person of ACP Nwachukwu.
In Lagos, Jennifer Nwosu reporting for Newsbuster TV.